Hi, this is Faizaan with Banjaxed, and today I'll be showing you how to create a basic flow and just get into some of the basics such as getting associated records from an object inside of a flow. So here in flows, first you need to go to setup, then process automation and flows, and then you can create a new flow. These are the different types of flows that are available here. They all have separate use cases. Today, we'll be focusing on a record trigger flow. So for this tutorial, we're going to create the flow on the matter object, and it'll be triggered whenever a record is updated. And we just want to make sure that an intake exists for this matter. So we're just gonna add this condition here, and you can choose to make sure that your the flow runs every time the record is updated, or only the first time that it's updated. So for this one, we're just gonna choose every time. So let's go to getting the associated record. So say we want to get every single role associated with a matter. So we can do that by querying on the role object, and in order to get the roles for this specific matter that triggered this flow, we want to make sure that the matter ID on each role is the same as the matter ID on the record. And then we're going to store every single record that we can find for the roles. And yeah, let's go ahead and create a loop to loop over this collection. Okay, over here we can find all the. We're going to go through each row one by one in this loop and keep updating. So say you have like a parent guardian field on the matter that you want to update using a role that was created. We currently don't have a field like that, but for demonstration purposes, let's assume that this is a parent guardian name field, and just want to make sure that ensure that we only get the parent guardian name by making sure on the role that the role name is parent/guardian. Okay, so we can choose the role category to be family member, and then the subcategory needs to be parent or guardian. Let's just say it's the father. And then this will only grab those roles which have the father as the subtype on them. And then we can go ahead and update the field on the matter. So, and currently we don't have a field called father's name on the matter, but for demonstration purposes, let's assume that this is the field that we want. So we can go to the current item and then get the party name from that role. And yeah, and then once we save it and once we save this and activate it, the flow should work. That's all. Thank you. Oh man, that was a journey.
You got it.
Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of cutting to do on that one.